Fucking savage! Oh, days. I wish I pressed record 2 seconds earlier. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Wrestle Plug YouTube channel. Why are we still here? Seriously, how have you not all just like en masse decided to leave after the last one? This is one of our vaunted watch-alongs. I'm Aaron Nixie's Carl Wilkinson. And it's now time for a hardcore triple threat match from POR Wrestling. And I'm not going to spoil it for you, but the title, if you'd seen it, is going to give away something very, 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 very unique. Carl Wilkinson, are you ready to watch a triple threat hardcore backyard / POR clusterfuck thing?
I'm going to say no, but we're going to do it.
I really can't wait to see this. The title was giving it away. We haven't actually watched it though. So you know what? Without further ado, take a seat, get some snacks, and prepare to be unbelievably horrified once again by the Wrestle Plug Watchalongs in 3, 2, 1, play.
I'd also advise alcoholic beverages if you don't have any.
I would advise mess. Oh, these guys actually look like wrestlers.
That's a tube sock, bro.
That's a tube sock, bro.
Ladies and gentlemen.
So who we got here?
Introducing first.
JJ Escobar.
Capital, with a murder for capital. This man is the inaugural POR Wrestling World Champion. Please welcome JJ Escobar.
Yeah! He actually looks like a wrestler. Like he's got a build and elbow pads and knee pads. Oh look, it's Low Rent the Sinister Minister.
Wrestling World Champion. Please welcome the Sinister.
Can he call himself the Sinister
I was
Minister?
just saying, can James Mitchell come down and beat the fuck out of him with a cane? Fuck you, sir. You can't call yourself Sinister Minister. I'm all about JJ Escobar right now. This would be huge. Okay.
Oh my lord.
Okay.
That's how you drink a beer in Virginia.
What the fuck is going on? You don't talk to him like that. The fuck talk you how I want you to piece of shit.
You do not talk about
you. Get it back. You ain't gonna make it to
It's like
Shrek.
a gay domestic in Virginia, isn't it?
You're not gonna make it.
Are we gonna get some wrestling anytime soon?
No,
I say loosely.
this feels like a car crash.
I'm wrestling Slack as the hardcore champion.
That's
What's
right.
happening?
Yeah, right here. Get a look. This is the future today. And next week.
You must enjoy losing, huh?
This guy's fucking amazing. He's the biggest country piece of trash. How jacked is this little guy? He's on the roids, isn't he? Look at him.
So you better give it to him.
You know, have you ever watched the Cleveland show?
Yeah.
You know the little short guy who's on the roids, like, you're a PCB, bro. Just a few 200 kilos, bro. That's him. That's that guy in a mask.
It's Escobar season.
That's Escobar season.
Y'all deal with this.
Y'all can.
Come here.
Yes, what?
Are you ready? You ready or not? Am I ready?
His voice is fucking so funny.
Hold on.
Hold on.
I'm trying to start.
Did you just hear a kid go, kiddie pool? What? This
Yeah.
is the most southern trash I've ever seen. If this doesn't end with somebody fucking somebody's cousin, I'm going to be furious.
I think that's how it started.
Go get him, Escobar. You got that son of a bitch.
Oh, you call him that?
Don't you call him that? Who's that?
Hey, look up in the sky.
Big lockup.
Dude, the Sinister Minister's got his own t-shirt. Look at that. It's time to pay for your sins.
Escobar season.
What's with his fucking... He's so retarded. Oh, Bam a slammer into a piece of wood that barely broke.
Did it even break?
Do it again. Did you hear that? It did break. Do it again. Oh.
Leave the camera on.
Leave the.
I fucking love him so much. I want him to be my manager. He's so good. Get up, Sandman! Get up, Sandman! Why is this just gimmicking for him to start yelling wrestlers' name?
Why are there so many gentlemen with balaclavas kicking around?
There's quite a few, isn't there?
Hey, you get a shirt. Oh. That's right. Show 'em what you taught me.
Show him what you told me. I don't think you want to see that live on camera. Beautiful spine buster. Arn Anderson would be proud. After he finished vomiting, of course.
Look at how much fucking cushion is on that apron. Like, you can see the people's feet are sinking into the canvas.
To be fair, like, I bet it still hurts like shit. That's probably because he's not a proper wrestler, mate. He's probably a boxer who's been modified, that's why. Oh, God.
Oh, got him up, though.
Look out. Oh!
That was actually pretty sick.
You know what? Esparro just got my wood. What, Ultimate Warrior? Chill out.
Dude, he's clearly roiding out.
Hey, hashtag Warrior. Why are you just randomly shouting things?
Built this foundation for you. This is how you. Those bastards from Philly just came out here.
Yeah, look what you did.
I did not.
Okay, bang, more table shenanigans.
Okay, does Balaclava dude get any offense in?
I think he's just there to get violated.
I mean, I'm feeling pretty
Yo,
violated.
this guy actually is quite good at taking shit. Oh. Ow. Ow.
Oh my. Oh no.
Oh dear God, do you see how little that table broke when he landed on it? Oh. Cactus Jack.
Oh, we got some music.
What happened to your sweetheart, Bull? What happened to your
What
sweetheart?
is going on? Someone's angry uncle. How short is he? Is that like Country Hornswoggle? Mate, I love the belt. It's a world title replica with a fucking registration plate on it.
Dragging on the job.
He's my favourite person ever in wrestling. I assume this is the third man in Triple Threat.
Yeah, dude, he's the Kurt Angle of the SummerSlam 2000.
Mate, some of the heckling in this is incredible.
Rambo!
You candy making son of a...
Hey, that was funny.
This is so
I
American.
don't need to do any commentary or jokes. They're doing it all for me. I love this fucking match. Nice. They're actually alright. They can work to a certain extent.
Cannonball?
Face wash.
Yeah.
It's
Cannonball.
ironic because face wash and I'm watching the Moist Sea Superstar in WWE on my other screen.
Yeah, with something about Logan Paul and other
Yeah, I think him and the Miz are breaking up. I find it really hard to concentrate when this country ass motherfucker. Beautiful.
big suplex.
Yeah, it was actually quite nice as well. Shit DDT. I mean, he held on to it well, I will say that much. He's going for the old Russian. Sweep the leg! Clothesline, sit down. E-Tech Joker is not impressed.
I won't let you down again, I promise.
That's a lie. Shut the fuck up,
Oh god.
Oh my god, Tombstone?
Welcome to hell.
Ow!
Oh.
That was the most unsafe tombstone you'll ever see. Oh, hello. Oh, lucky. At least he got his hands down. Oh, hello. Escobar's alive.
Shit. Is his last name? Is his first name Pablo?
No, JJ, sadly.
Oh.
I don't even want to fucking guess what JJ stands for. What? What? Does that say Peanuts Palace?
It did, yes.
I fucking love you, white trash, cousin fucking shagging, incest, inbred motherfuckers. What are you? Why are you getting in a caravan?
Is that those are
Why
some Rick
is
and
there
Morty
4
dolls?
tables with a shit ton of? What the? What the? Did he just lock him in there with firecrackers?
He did, yes. The Rick and Morty dolls say it all, dude.
Oh yeah.
I don't know about this, Rick.
I've only just started watching Rick and Morty.
I've never watched an episode. I just know about it.
Oh, that was a stiff as fuck super kick. Holy shit, he's up that ladder. He ain't even messing around. What are you doing up there, sunshine? Has this turned into a scaffolding? Is that a trampoline? Are you actually taking the piss?
Peanut!
Oh,
Oh.
right in the cousin makers.
Right in the jellies.
Right in the incest mummy gonna daddies. Oh my god.
Oh no. Oh my god!
Oh my James, you fucking animal here. This fucking this is fucking awesome. Oh, this is the replay of it.
Yeah, they just didn't say replay.
This fucking song. Oh, he's up there,
Oh
mate.
my! Look at the bounce!
Oh, taking it like a champ. I'm actually really loving this. You've made a fan out of me, boys.
I'm not getting in there.
I'm not getting in there.
I ain't doing that.
He is my favourite manager ever. I think he might have overtaken Jim Cornette and Paul Heyman as my favourite manager of all time. Look at that dog in the background.
He's so worried.
Big fat bird, and the dog's just like, what, that?
Shit! I'm gonna ruin your fucking life! 10 years over for you!
You're the one caught up in a mess right now.
Yeah, caught up in a mess right now.
What the fuck?
Oh, he's alive.
We need to get Tiny Tim over here.
Tiny
We're coming
Tim?
for the Wizard of Oz.
We're coming for the Wizard of Oz. This is so fucking jokes. This is fucking genuinely the best fucking deathmatch thing I've ever seen in my life.
Hey, Goose! Where are you?
What do you mean, where are you? He's right there.
Craigslist?
Oh my god, you're good.
Like I said before, please surrender, but this rebel just fucking surrender.
This ramble, don't surrender. Oh, he's after your Lucky Charms.
What are you possibly going to be able to... Oh, God.
Come on!
Oh, slap him in the face.
Mate, if someone doesn't go through those 4 tables for the first of the light tubes, I'm going to be disappointed. It's the Escobar season.
Oh, camera quality has dropped
Hey,
significantly.
do you remember when we went all the way through Far Cry 5 on the highest difficulty?
Yes. Jesus Christ! Oh my god! What the fuck?
Not a shitting hell, bro. That's the craziest.
That's not real!
Oh shit, we're right fucking through.
That's not. He's got the helmet on though.
He's good.
Where the fuck is Colston? What's up, man?
What the fuck? Gang warfare has broken out in the Southern Territories battle. He's chasing the fucking manager. Oh my god.
Oh my. I'm in love with you, man. Y'all forgot the pinfall.
Fucking shit. They cleared it.
Play my fucking music! Play my fucking music!
Well,
I'm the
fuck.
fucking champ!
That wasn't. Oh my.
Holy shit.
What the
Holy
actual fuck?
fucking shit. This is by far and away the best, craziest, most ludicrous, suicide-inducing series of watch-alongs we've done yet. That car spot, I've never seen anything like it in all my life. Fuck me. Like, fuck.
That could have gone wrong in so many ways.
It just, you can't, I don't think we can top that. I don't think that'll ever be. I'm sorry. Like, so full disclosure, like on the title, it said car crash. And like, I saw an image of a car. And it looked like it, I thought it just kind of like hit it casually in the side. I had no clue. No clue that was what was going to happen. But I mean, to be honest, the manager made it for me. JJ Escobar's manager was incredibly hysterical. I've never known anything like it. But got anything to say to that, or should we just leave it?
Is there anything we can say?
You can't do that justice. We just watched hillbillies drive by through a fucking, literally a like 70, 80 miles an hour. It looked like just smashed through that fucking trailer. They went off the top through a fucking 4 tables with the rest of the light tubes. JJ Escobar picks up the winner, becomes the world champion. Find my fucking beauty! And it just, fuck my ass, ladies and gentlemen. Fuck it, Raw. I'm Aaron X. He's been Carl Wilkinson. We'll catch you very soon for more content from the Wrestle Plug.
Oh my god.